Hello and welcome. Today, we're starting a new series, how to make rolling dice in 3D in Unity. This is part 1, where we'll set up the scene and environment to get started. Let's jump in. First, we will create a dice using 3D modeling tool. I'm using Maya, however you can use Blender or other modeling tool. Add subdivisions, then use bevel tool to make round edges. Create UV. Save project, add material and assign black color. Now use Substance Painter, or other painting tool to paint dice texture. You can learn more about Substance Painter tool in my Substance Painter playlist. Open Unity and create a new 3D project. Create new folder, name it Models, and import a dice model into it. Let's export dice texture from Substance Painter. In Unity, scale the dice bigger by setting scale factor value. Extract material, then import textures from Substance Painter. Drag texture to material's base color. Perfect. Now we have black 3D dice with 6 faces texture. Next, create a table in 3D modeling tool. Texture it using Substance Painter. Export table textures. From Unity, import table and add textures. Awesome. The table is ready, but the dice are too small. Please change the scale to 20. Awesome. Our scene is ready. In the next part, we'll add physics and scripting to make the dice roll. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for part 2. See you soon.